Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Lilpartner stand mixer, 1000 watt professional electric kitchen mixer food mixer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Lilpartner 4-quart stand mixer comes with 304 stainless steel bowl with comfortable operation offering sufficient capacity. Multi-purpose attachments are included: stainless steel whisk, aluminum dough hook, aluminum beater, splash guard, and scraper, which are easily fixed on the shaft, increasing the versatility of the cooking mixture to completely mix the ingredients. 1000 watt motor and sturdy ABS housing makes the process thoroughly and quickly. 6 speed options ranging low to high, with precise control and planetary mixing action at each setting, which can meet all your food preparation needs and ensure perfect and professional mixing effect every time. The tilt head design allows clear access to the stainless steel bowl and attached mixing attachments, convenient to install and remove. The splash guard with access port helps add ingredients more easier during mixing process, prevents dry ingredients from dusting up and the batter from spattering. Anti-skid silicone suction cups keep the mixer stable and safe during operation, avoiding movement or bouncing to reduce noise. With overload and overheat protection design, the bottom of the fuselage can be multi-directional cold and hot air convection heat, long service life. Compact fuselage design saves storage space, keeps your counter always organized. All of the attachments are dishwasher safe. The perfect shape design is easy to wipe, which will greatly save cleaning time. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.